grade are you in?
I'm in second grade, and I go to Lumen Nancy Park. I learned about that our minds should take us wherever we want, and I learned how to program some stuff too. I think the two fun things that we get to have snacks, watch episodes. The two fun learning things are building Legos and playing on the computers and taking tests.
Did you like coming here to class? Yeah? Why did you like coming?
Because I like to make different Legos every time my brain comes up with an idea.
Will what you learned here in this class maybe be helpful for you outside of this class?
That I know what and how to program stuff.